Hello. Hello, how are you? This is Els coming from Boomer's Crafty Corner. And guess who went to Daiso? I did. Okay, and so did Amy. And so did Sandy. So we went to the new Daiso store that they opened. It is open. This is their inaugural week, you know, their first opening. And so it was kind of cool. If you spent $30, they gave you some stuff. And I thought, like, you know, they're going to give me, like, one gift. Now they gave me, like, a thing of Pocky and a whole bag of lollipops and some kind of Asian jelly sports drink thing. And there was something else in there, some kind of roasted bean or something. Anyway, I give that to Amy. She'll tell you all about it. So, but these are the lollipops they gave me, the Milkitas. Milky, creamy lollipops in assorted flavors. Strawberry, banana, chocolate, and something else. Probably like lemon or lime or something. Let's see. What's that on there? It's like a lemon. Anyway, so they gave me that, and they're not bad. They're only 50 calories a piece, you know. And they actually give you some calcium. So, those are cool. Amy likes the banana ones. So, what did I actually get? Well, first, I got these. Okay, because the last time, you know, I got these, and these are just, you know, they're blank index cards, and these are lined, and they're mini lined index cards, and I thought they were stinking cute. So I grabbed these. They are 3.6 inches by 2.2 inches. And so now I have both. Cool, right? Okay. I got some new die cut stickers. These ones are glossy. They're not like the paper ones, but that's okay. You know, they're film. You know, they're made on the film stuff. So, but I got those. There's 2 sheets in each one, so I got 4 of those. And hey, man, what's that? I got these. They're little mini letter sets. So you get your little envelopes and your little writing paper. And I thought, how stinking cute would these be to put it in a journal and like fold it in half and put a paper in there? And you get three envelopes and 6 pieces of paper. So I could put 2 pieces of paper in each one. And they're so cute, you know? Look at how cute. They're adorable, right? Okay, so I got those. And then I got some washi tape. I got this one. I guess I should show it to you this way. Okay. So I got this one. Cool, right? I can't help myself, you know? It's washi. And I got this one. I like this one. It's like little pink and red flowers and greenery. And then I got another roll of this. We have a roll of this, but I got another roll because I like it and I've been using it a lot. And I got this, which is actually 3 rolls. So you get this one, and then you get the red stripe, and then the little red polka dot. That's really small polka dots. There you go. Okay. And I got this, which is 2 rolls of washi tape. And these are like watercolor design. So you have this like what looks like I don't know, like a firework kind of thing. And then you got the flowers. And so I got that. Okay. And I got these. Compressed towel. Small. So I had to get these. Amy and I look at them every time we're in there, you know, and I always look at them and I always go, I wonder what they're like. So we got these, and so it's just this little pellet, and it's very hard. But if you get it wet, it expands. The wetter you get it, the more it expands. And when it's fully expanded, let's see if I can get this to open. Here we go. it's this little towel. Let's see if I can open this. There we go. And it looks like that. And it gets really, because of the holes in it, it gets really cool really fast. And, you know, I'm always like, you know, it's 110 degrees here. We're always looking for something to, you know, wipe our faces. Or, you know, wipe our hands if we get something on our hands. And, you know, just a little bit of water and we get a nice towel. And it's a decent size. I mean, they say it's a small, but it's about 7 inches by 10, 7 by 10. So it's a nice size little towel. And it's totally disposable, you know, so. But we got those. I got a whole bag of them. And I don't know how many are in there. 20. So I played with 2, so there's 18 of them in there. But, you know, you can put that in your purse, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. And it allows you to have, you know, a towel that you can get wet and, you know, keep with you. So it's great for traveling and stuff in the car. So we're going to put these in the car. So that's what I got, because we went to the Daiso. So we got some mini index cards and some notepads and some stickers and lots of washi tape, because you know I can't help myself. It's a thing. It's just, you know, I find really cool stuff there sometimes, and I can't help myself. But that's what I got. Amy got some stuff too. I'm sure she's going to show it to y'all when she sees you again. But until then, stay well, my friends. Bye.